Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. That's a big hi from me. Hello to all of my audiences out there. So welcome back to my channel once again. So today I'm not going to unbox any product. Instead, we are going to unbox one of Instagram's feature that has been launched yesterday at 7:30 p.m. which you must be already aware of. Yes, you are right, it is called Instagram Reels. So I'm going to give you a demo on iPhone first. Okay, all right, so here I am. Let us enter the Instagram application through my phone. This is my page on Instagram, guys. Please follow my page. All right, and please follow the content on this page. So here I am trying to click my profile over here on your story. You can see that. Just click on your story over here. Yep, and this is your Instagram Reels. Okay, you can see over here three options: live, story, and Reels. Just click on Reels over here. Yes, so you have four options, just like TikTok, guys. To all those of you who have been suffering from the TikTok ban, my good wishes for all of you, and you can use this as a TikTok substitute. This is nothing. Those who have already started using this are facing no more insomnia from the TikTok memories. You will definitely have a great experience on this platform and on this feature of Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let us just jump into the Reels. Let me show you how you're supposed to make Reels on Instagram on an iPhone with the Reels button over here. You have four different options over here. This is the audio. This is the audio. You can select any audio from here. Please don't upload any kind of audio on YouTube. You may have copyright issues in relation to this, so take care of this. Only upload only those videos or those audios that are copyright free. All right, so this is a speed button, how long or how slow you want your video to be. If you want it to be a little slower, you can just go for 0.3x and then 0.5x. If you want your video to just speed up, you have your options over here, that is 2x and 3x. Over here, this is the button for effects. You can just put in good effects for your video. This video is going to be only for 15 seconds on Instagram Reels. All right, and over here you can set a timer for how long you want to create this video. If you are the person who is the camera person and you're recording this video, you can set a timer for yourself for how long this video you want to be. It can be from 0.0 seconds till 15 seconds, guys. Okay, so you can set it for yourself for how long you want this timer to work for yourself. You can set the timer and start up. So let us record one of the Reel videos and let me show you. So here I have this product. Okay, so let us shoot this for you. I'm going to click on this button over here, the Reels button. So just go ahead, guys, look for some music that is copyright free and add your music as you want it to be. So this is my first recording for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5, stop. All right, so now I want to put in some effects over here. This is my effects option. I'm going to click this. Okay, I have some effects over here. I want to add these effects, so let us try with something like this, with something like this. Can you see that? So I'm going to record in that. 1 2 3 4 5, then stop again. Then go for another effect that you want to put in this video, like this one. All right, so we're going to record this for another 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. You can see over here in the top, you can see over here there's a red line. Okay, as soon as you get into the 15-second slot, this line is going to come over here. For TikTok users, it's really easy to understand because they've been going through this process. Okay, so they're completely aware of what's been going on. So just try to align this stuff. There's an option to align. You can just go ahead and align a few things. I want to go back. I want to align it once. So how you're going to align it? Just click on align and record again. Can you see that? 1 2 3 4 5. All right, so if there's any effect that you still want to put in this video, just go ahead, click on the effects button. Just click on the kind of effect you want to see over here. Okay, I want to see this effect over here. I'm going to record for another 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5, stop. So my video has reached to its So that's it, that's our video. If you want to post this video, just click over here on this arrow. Here it goes. Share some captions, demonstration of Instagram Reels, whatever you want to write. All right, demonstration of Instagram Reels. All right, demonstration. Okay, there's a spelling error over here, of Instagram Reels. All right, so now you can use some ad tags, hashtags that you want to, whatever hashtag you want to use. There are already some tags over here. I want to use something related to reeling. All right, so you can use reel to reel kind, something that is in your budget, that's something that is in your reach. All right, if you have just started this up, then just put something that will help you in reaching a good reach. Okay, so that is my reel hashtags over there. I want to reach to about 5,000 people or 5,000 posts, so I'm just focusing on 5,000 kind of hashtags. There's a really over here, and a few of them I want to go for little bigger reach. That's reel over there. That's it. You can just add a couple of hashtags, and you can just, if you want to upload this as a story, just click on stories over here, say that you want to share and share it as your story. Okay, done. If you want to do it as your reel post, I want to save this, save video. Okay, now I want to post this as my reel, so I'm just going to pick up from my last post. It's over here. I want to use this as my reel. All right, that's it. 15-second movie. It's a screen recording, guys, so I'm using this. I've already uploaded over here. I'm checking it again. Let's just check that post. As you can see, we have recorded this video a while ago, so I'm going to upload this as my reel. Same thing, just add demo of Insta Reels and add a few hashtags, reels. Okay, whichever you're comfortable with. Go for a lower reach, don't just jump into a higher reach. All right, and if you want, I'll show you the option for share as draft also. All right, so just share this. So you can see over here it's being uploaded in my Insta Reels. So I want to use this also if I'm in a bit of hurry and I have tried to record a reel somewhere and I would just want to save it and not upload it on Instagram immediately, have some editing work to do. Okay, so what you can do is you can just save it as a draft. All right, and I'll show you how to get your video from draft directly into your reels. Let that get uploaded. There you go, it's almost getting uploaded. There it is. You can see that the ones that are uploaded on reels, you'll get an option over here, watch on reels, watch reels. Okay, so you can watch it directly on the reels. All right, so what we are going to do is we're going to try another option. We're going to go for saving it if we are in a hurry and we want to go somewhere. So I'll just take out that clip again. So since we have done the first part of this clip already, I'm going to take the second half of this. All right, and there you go. I'm in a hurry right now. Suppose that I'm in a hurry. I'm just going to click to this page, directly move to this page. Whatever hashtags or captions you want to write in a hurry and you're not unable to do so, just click on save as draft. All right, so as you've seen over here, the video has moved in over here in your profile button. All right, so just click on this profile button. You can see your reels button over here. Just click on your reels. This is my home page, so just click on your reels and you can see your recent drafts. Click on your drafts. It's the same procedure, guys, as you have seen in TikTok. you can just open your draft, do whatever edits you want to do whatever hashtags you want to place or captions you want to add, okay, and directly share it. All right, so there are certain questions that I have come across that people are very doubtful. First of all, please wait guys, this option has not been available for all of you across India, so just please wait. Today by 10 p.m. maybe all of you will get this option. There's nothing to worry about. You just have to go to your home page, okay, slide to your right, all right, and you'll get options over here, live, story or reels. Okay, you'll get that button guys, don't worry. If you're Android user, then please update your app and be ready with your app. You'll surely find this button in your application. All right, so there are certain questions. So let us discuss what is the advantage of this button in Instagram section. A lot of our viewers are really sad that this button has been launched on Instagram, so there's nothing to feel sad about. And there were already a lot of people who were very sad regarding TikTok ban. So now there's nothing to worry about, there's nothing to stay sad about. If you are a content creator, then please rejoice, stay happy, stay motivated, and get your content on Instagram. And to all those who are a little worried about your following on Instagram, so don't worry, push your content on your Instagram reels. And the greatest advantage on Instagram reels is going to be, as you were completely worried about your followers on Instagram, so Instagram is giving you an opportunity to push yourself, push your content, and get as many followers as you can and as many views as you can. That is called an engagement on Instagram. So please try to engage with your audience as much as you can. Try to make use of this feature on Instagram as much as you can to gain as much as engagement possible from your viewers, from your customers, and try to build fans who are willing to become your customers, who are willing to become your clients, who are willing to become your fans. So the next question that I have come across is, are you able to use hashtag for reels? Yes, as you have seen over here in my post over here that I have uploaded, I have used hashtags. You can use 3 types of hashtags depending upon your reach guys. Try to use king hashtags, the soldier hashtags, and the queen hashtags. If you aren't aware of these 3 hashtags, please DM me, write them in the comment section below. I shall teach you what these kind of hashtags are. I should make you aware of these things, and you can just pop up try to gain as much as reach possible on your videos. All right, so if you want to watch something that is on reels just the way you did on TikTok, you just have to follow the first video that pops up to your exploring page. Okay, the first video that pops up on my explorer page is something which has got reels written over there. Okay, so this is the video that I have got reels over here displayed. So I'm going to tick this, click this. Yes, you can see that. So you just have to swipe up to watch all the videos that are there on the reels button. All right, just like that, the way you did it on TikTok. See, fitness videos, ads also, there are ads that are coming up. You can see that. Some people that were already good TikTokers, they have already come to this platform. So that's it. You just have to use it in the TikTok format. All right, so where to check draft, I have shown you that already. A few of DMs that I have received is where to check your draft. You just have to go to your home page. Over there you have your home button, the grid over here, and you have the reels button. Just click on reels. You have draft save over here. Just click on your recent drafts, and there you go. You just add your captions, your hashtags, and you're good to go. All right, so that's it. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Please guys, please give me a thumbs up. Try to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. It really keeps me motivated guys to make as many videos as possible. As you know, I'm an unboxer and I try to unbox as many things as possible for all of you. If there's anything that you want to know regarding Instagram reels, then you can just comment in the comment section below or directly DM me on Instagram and I shall help you. So cheers to all of you. Stay safe, stay home, and bye bye.